In our previous video we have already discussed the two system of injector head, that is chain system and drive and brake system. Now the third system which we will discuss in this video is chain tension system. Chain tension system is used to keep the chain in straight and tight position, because if chain gets loosed it will bite the coiled tubing pipe it has held inside it. Now we can see this from these diagrams. In this diagram the chain is in tight and straight position. Just imagine that if this chain gets loosed, then when the coiled tubing pipe will pass through it, it will bite it or it will damage the coiled tubing pipe. So chain tension system is used to protect the pipe from damage. To understand that how does chain tension system works, let's see its major parts. Typical chain tension system is composed of two pairs of hydraulic cylinders. The first pair is this and the second pair is this. Two set of sprockets, then take up bearings which are 4 in number, and the take up rails which are also 4 in number. Two set of hydraulic cylinder on each side of the injector head provide the required hydraulic force to these sprocket and thus keep these sprocket in tension, and then ultimately these sprockets keep the chain in tension. We can also see this from this diagram that the hydraulic cylinder are used to push this sprocket, and thus this sprocket push this chain and then keep it in straight position or in tight position. The orientation of chain tension system is different in 60K injector head and 80K injector head. In 60K injector head it is in horizontal position as shown in the previous diagram, and in 80K injector head it is in vertical position. Now let's see the chain system in actual 80K injector head. Here we can see that these are the two sprockets and these are the two hydraulic cylinders which are used to push these two sprockets. Here is another view. We can see two sprockets on this side and two sprockets on the other side of the injector head. It is also another view. We can see these are the two sprockets and these are the two cylinders. This is the 80K injector head. In 60K injector head, as we already seen in the previous diagrams in this presentation, it is in horizontal position. Now let's see some important concepts regarding chain tension pressure. During pipe heavy load, chain tension pressure is normally set at a minimum fixed value depending upon the chain life. However, in case of pipe lightweight operation, that is in snubbing, it is required to change the tension pressure depending upon the snubbing force required, which is required according to the wellhead pressure. To calculate the snubbing force which is required, we can use this formula. Thank you very much.